Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
So today we are going to discuss about the defect management. So first of all, what is defect? As we know that defect is what variation between expected and actual result, right?
Yes.
Correct. That was defect. Now, if you are going to test any application, okay, like suppose WhatsApp, Facebook, any application or any e-commerce sites like Flipkart, Amazon, and all. So if you're going to test any application, you will get so many defect, right?
Yes.
Right. So if you have more than one defect on their number of defect, then how you are going to manage? Correct. And management is what? And also you need to understand what are the what are the severity of the defect. Severity means impact. Okay.
High to medium.
Okay. Correct. So basically defect management is what? Process of recognizing, investigating, taking action and disposing of defect. Okay. So like helps team keep track of outstanding defect in their project effectively. Suppose currently you are working in sprint 1. Okay. In sprint you have created, suppose as a tester you have created 10 defect, but it is not possible maybe sometimes for a developer to resolve all the or to fix all the defect in the same sprint, right?
Okay.
Correct. So it will be carry forward in subsequent
Next.
sprint, right? Or next
Yes.
sprint, right?
Yes, correct.
Correct. So we need to track as a defect management manager or as a test manager, as a test lead. Okay, we need to track all this according to the functionality or epic, or we could create some separate task in Jira also. Okay,
Okay.
correct. That is, we can mention that retesting of defect, all this stuff. Okay. So basically, what are the steps to manage the defect? First one is a defect prevention. Second one is deliverable baseline, defect discovery, defect resolutions, and process improvement. See, defect prevention is what? Why the defect have came? Maybe some of the issues will, you must have seen that due to the environment it is occurring, right? In the application,
Yes.
like something it is not working in QA, but it is working in dev, but it is working in production. Sometimes it may happen, right?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe the environment configuration also. Deliverable baseline. What are the baselines of deliverable? What are the things we need to deliver in this sprint? Defect discovery, that is what? Testing, validation. Okay. Defect
Yes.
resolution, that is what? Fixing of the defect. Okay.
Okay.
And process improvement means what? How we can improve gradually, like in this sprint we are going to manage in this way, how efficiently we are going to improve our process. Okay.
Okay.
Now there is one more question is coming, defect life cycle. Correct. This is the defect management is what? There are so many defect, right? But for a
Yeah.
single defect, if anyone is going to ask you what is the defect life cycle, this is a very famous question. Very famous question, defect life cycle. Okay.
Okay.
Like what are the SDLC phases? What are the SDLC life cycle? Okay, they are going to ask you like that. So
Okay.
let's discuss about the defect life cycle.
Okay.
So defect life cycle, first we are going to discover the defect. See, this is not hard and fast rule that we have to follow this only. Getting my point?
Okay, got it.
Each and every organization have some different way also.
Yes, correct.
So suppose you have find out the defect in a step first. Second is what? You are going to submit a bug, right? Then it is going to review and assign to the developer, right? Third step.
Yes.
Fourth step, developer is going to investigate and try to reproduce the bug. Okay. Now, if bug is reproduced, then it will go to fix. Okay. If bug is not reproduced, then it will be what? It is going to what? Again it will move to the elaborate to the bug. Okay, and again it will go for investigation.
Okay.
And still, see, sometimes what happens, sometimes you are going to face some issues, right? And after that you have seen that you are not able to reproduce that issue, right?
Yes.
Correct. So in
Yeah.
that time, in that, in those type of defect is what sometimes we are not, maybe due to some internet issues, we are not, some logo is not loading. Correct. So maybe your internet issues, right? Your speed. So those are not a defect, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Although you have raised that defect after waiting 2 minutes or 3 minutes, logo is not loading. Correct. But
Yeah.
after, developer is going to verify whether this is a defect or not, and they found it is not a defect because in their internet connection, and he is able to load all the logos, right? All the drop
Yes.
downs, everything. So again, they will send back to you and they can reject the defect.
Okay.
Correct. But if it is yes, you can see that yes, then it will go for fix. And after that, after fixing, they are going to verify the fix. So who is going to verify the fix? It is known as retesting. Okay. So retesting. So after fixing the bug, they are going to, developer is going to assign to you as a tester. You are going to again verify the fix, and now they are going to, if it is a fix, then they are going to close. If it is no, again you are going to assign to the developer. See, sometimes what happen, you are going to retest the defect, existing defect. Arun, try to understand.
Yeah.
In real time
Yeah.
scenario. But you have tested that scenario or that particular defect, still it is not fixed. Again you are getting the same error. Then again you are going to assign to the developer, right?
Yes, correct. Or reopen the
After,
defect and assign to the developer.
not reopen means what? You have first time you have already closed, then
Yeah,
only
yeah.
you are going to
Because
reopen.
see, once the developer fixed, it will be fixed. There will be status will be there. So it's kind of reassigning, reopen kind of thing will come. No. So
No, reopen is different. Let me tell you, reopen fixed and developer is going to mark as fixed. Okay. And
okay.
after
Okay.
retesting, if it is a fix, then you are going to close the defect. After
Yes, correct.
closing the defect, if you are going to again reopen the defect, then again you are going to open that particular defect. That is known as reopening. But if you are
Okay.
going to, okay, if you are going to, if developer have marked as fixed the defect, again you are going to retest that defect. You found that it is not fixed, then you again you are, after putting the comment, you can reassign to the developer. Now clear?
Okay.
Clear real time scenario, this is what
Yeah, yeah,
happening.
correctly.
Okay, so this is what defect life cycle. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the severity and priority. Okay, so what is severity and priority? What is priority?
Priority is it's like a should be uh, given first
See,
preference kind of thing.
try to remember the one liner definition, then
Priority
you
is
will.
as order in which we should resolve a defect. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Priority is order in which we should resolve a defect. In saying.
No, that is okay. That is also fine. But as for what I have mentioning in whenever I used to prepare the notes and all, okay, urgency of fixing the defect, that is priority.
Okay. It's
Just
kind of
write down.
showstopper. Showstopper also you can say, no?
Yes, exactly. Urgency of fixing the defect. Like
Okay.
I've given you the one example, right?
Yeah.
Vodafone, and
Yeah.
actually in the interview also I used to ask
Mm-hmm.
whenever I used to take the and the severity is what impact of the defect or bug.
Hmm.
Just write down only these two lines if you will remember. Okay,
Yeah.
then you
I
will
note down
understand.
actually. Priority
Okay,
urgency of fixing the defect.
correct. Severity impact of the defect.
Okay. Severity impact of the defect.
See, I'm just impact is what you are taking the training from
Yeah.
Rohit, right? So what is
Yeah.
after taking the training, what will be the impact on you? You are able to understand the testing concept, right? You are able to
Yes.
understand the DevOps concept, Azure cloud, right? So those are
Yes.
what impact.
Okay.
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 So now severity, see, there are so many definition you will get in the Google and all, right? But these
Hmm.
are the, you will, if you will remember these kind of stuff, then you will, able to identify which defect I need to fix first, which defect I am going to bypass right now in this current sprint. Okay, by
Hmm.
checking the impact.
Okay.
Okay, so there are 1 2 3 4 type of severity. Okay, first one is
Okay.
cosmetic. Now what is cosmetic defect? See, I'm just going to
Look and
give you
feel.
the
Look and feel like kind of thing.
yes, look and feel, and
Logo.
I'm just
Logo
going,
is not. Logo is not something. Example, if you take the text field, it's not up to the. It will be very small or something. That is under cosmetic thing.
no, that is cosmetic is totally a user experience.
Okay.
Okay, user experience. Let me give
Okay.
you, see, logo. Suppose you are going to open the Wipro website, right?
Hmm.
If
Hmm.
Wipro logo is not displaying, then you can't say that it is a cosmetic. It is a
Hmm.
showstoppers, because it's
Hmm.
Wipro is a very big brand, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
Correct. It's the same
Yeah.
level 5 organization, Infosys. So
Yeah.
cosmetic defect is what? Okay, so you have to assign as showstoppers. So
Hmm.
cosmetic. Okay, so see, cosmetic means what? Suppose we are you are testing any drop down. Arun, try to understand in the very real time example, then you will understand. Arun,
Hmm. Yeah. I
yeah,
am listening.
yeah. So drop down list will be always in alphabetical, right?
Yes. Yes.
But you have seen that it is not in according. It is the order of displaying the drop down list. Okay,
Hmm.
is not in an alphabetical.
Okay.
Correct. Also, there is what text font size is not correct, right?
Yes.
Sometimes they are using some other font, sometimes in the same page they are using other font, right? So
Yeah.
text font should be uniform into the entire application. So these are what cosmetic defect. It is a
Okay.
look and feel only.
Yes.
Okay,
Correct.
but
Yeah.
in the drop down like alphabetical order it is not displaying, although the functionality wise it is correct, all the drop down list is displaying. But cosmetic, when we can say, when it is not as per the some standards, although it
Okay.
is not breaking any kind of functionality.
Okay.
Cosmetic is only look and feel. Now
Okay.
minor defect. See, although you are able to view the Wipro logo, right?
Hmm.
But that the size of the logo is little bit tilt,
Hmm.
and there are in the logo itself there are so many links are there, right? Suppose I'm just going to give you the example. One of the link is not working,
Hmm.
although you have the alternative way to open that particular link. Okay, you are able to while using the alternative way you are able to open, but by clicking there that link is one click, first click is not working. That is a
Okay.
minor defect. Major and
Okay.
showstoppers means what? You are not able to log in at all in the application.
Yes.
And
I
major
can
defect is,
move forward.
yes, move forward. You are not able to do the testing.
Yes.
Okay. And major defect is what? You're not able to, like, I'm just going to take the same example from Amazon. You're not able to order the things.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
Now priority is what? Low, medium, and high. Just no urgency of fixing the defect.
Yes.
Fine. So have you understood what is the difference between severity and priority?
Yeah.
Good. See, these are the example. Someone is going to ask you high priority and high severity. Upon login to system, runtime error display on the page. Right?
Okay.
This is what?
Hmm.
High severity and high priority. Low
Okay.
priority and high severity. On the home page of the company website, a spelling mistake in the name of the company, like Wipro company, Wipro spelling is wrong.
Hmm.
Then it is a high severity. Like,
Yes.
but priority is what? Low. We can fix next sprint. No issues. But severity impact will be very high, because if someone is going to check any client and all, they can understand this company is not up to mark, and due to
Okay.
that reason they lose so many businesses.
Hmm.
Correct? Low
Yeah.
priority, low severity, spelling mistakes. Okay,
Okay.
a spelling mistake in any, like suppose you are not filled the mandatory field, and after clicking on submit, it is displaying the message, but error message, but in the error message there is just some spelling mistakes.
Hmm.
Clear?
Okay.
Now we are going to discuss about the tool support for testing. See, there are variety of tools supported, especially supported in testing. There's so many tools are there. So do you know any tools?
Yeah.
You must be knowing,
HP.
right?
HP. We are seeing HP. HP.
HPLM,
HP.
HPUFT, Selenium, correct?
Yeah.
These are what? JMeter performance testing tool.
Yes.
JMeter, right?
Yeah.
So these are what?
Software testing tools.
Okay. Software testing tool.
Tools.
Or JMeter is what? Performance testing tool.
Yes.
Okay. And any other tool?
Mm, any other tool means because I am not into the testing thing. No? I have no idea.
Okay. Let me tell you. There are so many tool provided by IBM also, that is RFT, RQM, in-house tools. Okay.
Mm,
You
okay.
must be knowing that automation anywhere, all this stuff. Correct?
Mm, okay.
So these are what? Testing tools. So tools are grouped by testing activities or areas that are supported by set of tools. So there are two types. Either you can testing tools and test management tools. So test management tool may provide support for managing testing, progress monitoring, configuration management of testware, incident management, and requirements management and traceability. Okay. So defect management tool tracks details, assignments, actions, and reporting of defect included in various categories. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Like what are the defect management tools? Like Bugzilla, TestLink, okay,
Okay.
HPALM, Jira. Okay. These are what?
Okay.
Test management as well as defect management tools. Now we are going to
Jira
talk
is a project management, no? Jira is a project
project
management.
management also and defect management also. We are creating the issues in Jira, right?
Okay.
Defect.
Okay.
We
Okay.
are able to create or not issues.
No, I don't know think Jira much.
Yes, Jira.
Uh,
Jira is a very important tools. Almost maximum people are using. Okay, so test
okay.
clear, test
Okay.
management tools and okay. Now try to understand the problem. Read in 3 number representing the length of the side of a triangle, and to print out a description of what kind of triangle it is. Okay, so this is the
Okay.
problem, this is the scenario, this is the user story, correct? We can say, right? Or this is the epic, suppose. Now what are the test bases? The triangle may be equilateral, triangle may be isosceles, triangle may be right angled, a triangle may be a scalene, and impossible also, right? 3 lines
Okay.
if I'm going to draw in parallel, then and invalid also, correct?
Okay.
So these are the test bases, correct? Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
So these all conditions we have to write in the test case. Okay, so
Okay.
please if you want to take the snapshot, you can take the snapshot and write down the test case.
Okay.
This is the problem. This is only test basis. I have given you the high level idea, but low level which we have created in the Excel sheet. Hope you remember.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
Yeah. So in that way, triangle problem you have to write. Okay.
Okay.
What is test analysis and what is test basis?
What is and
Test basis, BASIS.
same
Just
or
now we
different?
have both are different.
Okay.
Test
No. In the
analysis
same. Oh,
in the same.
okay.
Just now for triangle I have explained you, right? Basis, either it will be equilateral, either it will be right angle, right? Those in practically we are saying those are the test bases. Okay.
Okay.
What is the equivalence class partitioning? Explain with example.
Equivalence class partition.
Explain with example.
Okay.
You have already written what is equivalence class, but I am right now it is explain with example. What is
Okay.
boundary value analysis? Explain with example. If you will go through 2 or 3 more examples, okay, then you will be okay. And maybe you have
Okay.
taken the screenshot, so those stuff also. And also you have the recording session, right?
No recording. I asked. He didn't. He like gave the but not able to download. I told Bitu, so he didn't share till now. Maybe
Okay,
tomorrow I'll message him.
okay, ask. What is experience based testing?
One more thing, Rohit. Tomorrow is it possible make it 7 o'clock because tomorrow I have some work is office work is there, outage is there.
Okay,
So I have to,
7
so
o'clock.
it's
Okay, sure, 7 o'clock. I will come. Fine.
okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, what is experience based testing done? Okay. Next is what is test management?
I need one more just input from
Yeah,
you.
please. Yeah, please.
See, that's like interview point of thing only.
Yeah.
Suppose if the company, say suppose if I am attending interview, okay,
Hmm.
so my salary is now they're reduced, okay, like 20% something. So if they asked us why you are moving, the reason if they ask me, because already I'm working in something for 10 years. So I can say that due to career growth as well as I need to change, or I can say that, or what point of view I can say that.
Okay, see, first of all, do not mention the salary and all this stuff.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's correct. That's the first thing. Yeah.
Okay. So
Uh,
from my experience, see,
yes.
if I'm going to hire you, if you're going to
Uh,
give me this concern, then I can
mm,
understand if the company will be in trouble, this guy may be. Although these are what
mm.
bullshit. Okay, I know no one
Yeah,
will stay. Okay, but
yeah.
we should have sometimes, we are going to talk like a very passionate way and very short and sweet, we can say that,
Mm,
right? So better
mm,
you can say that um, first thing is career growth, and second thing is what I need to explore new things. Okay,
mm,
that is
mm,
the best idea. Okay,
mm, mm.
because
Okay.
here it is what record and play. Do not give so much bad thing. Only that I
Mm,
career growth, and I want to explore new things.
mm, 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 mm,
Yeah,
mm,
I'm doing the same thing last 2 and 3 years, or last 5 years, like that. Do not say 5 years, 3 years. Okay.
mm.
So due to that reason, I want to.
No, same
So
thing
then,
means same activity I'm doing. I need a change
yeah,
in the.
yes. In
Oh,
daily last 3 years, I'm doing same kind of activity. Okay.
okay. And one
And
more, I
also,
need a change in curiosity in learning new technology and new environment and
no, no,
challenges. I
don't,
can say
don't,
that.
don't, don't say new technology and all.
Uh,
What is your background? You have to say only this.
okay. But
New,
new
if they
challenges,
will,
new challenges is okay, no?
yes, yes, new challenge you can mention, but do not
Uh,
say new technology. If they will put
okay.
you in SAP, then
Uh,
don't see. Don't
uh,
give anyone to bombard you on you. Okay, they will ask you if
okay.
I'm going to put you in SAP. Then do you have
Okay.
any idea?
Yeah. No.
Correct. So do not give any chance to anyone.
Okay. Okay.
See, last month also I have switched the new organization. Okay,
Mm, mm.
last month only.
Uh,
But unfortunate, the situation have happened, right? My
uh,
uncle passed away, so I told him that okay, so organization told me okay, no issues, you can remotely work and only log in also if 1 hour also if you will log in, then it will be fine. Because
mm,
my uncle doesn't have any son and all. Okay,
mm,
so those stuff you can understand without son.
mm,
So first thing what you are going to say, you are going to say I need career. I want to switch the job due to career growth and
mm,
exploring the new things. Then again, they will ask what kind of career growth you need, because you are staying last 10 years in the same organization. Then you can say
mm,
that last 3 years or almost 2.5 years, I'm doing the same activity. Okay, same
mm.
kind of activity. So I want to change. I want so I
But
want to
this one they will ask if they won't ask. So if you come here also, you will do the similar kind of thing for 3 4 years. Then they'll ask the same thing. No?
no
So
one is
what you?
going to say you. No one is going to say you 2 3 years.
Mm,
Okay, it is not possible. Only
mm,
10% and all. Just say career growth, and I want career growth in the, you know in various way, or maybe
mm,
in bi-directional. You can use the bi-directional, and financially also. I need my growth in financially also, and the technology wise also. That's it,
mm.
which I am working. And as you know
Okay.
that now I have a very good I have a knowledge in Azure DevOps also, AWS also, but
Mm,
I want to apply all those knowledges now in some challenging organizations and all, like
mm.
that. Okay, but do
Okay.
not give any new technology. Do not, please. Otherwise,
Okay.
they will bombard you.
Mm, okay. Okay.
because
Okay.
last in 2000
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely.
13 I have faced the new same way. Okay, I have also said okay, and I was not in SAP, right? I haven't anything about the SAP and all. Then I ask no, I can do any I can do, and then they told me that okay, we will put you in SAP, then what you will do. So don't give anything. Okay, just a
Okay.
second.
Yeah.
Let me. Okay, so what is test management done?
Yeah.
Okay, next is what is the difference between test plan and test strategy?
What about the salary wise? If the HR guys will buy because you're getting this much only, so we'll take the current one, or what they'll say? What they'll say that? So how will
No,
we are?
you just explain clearly that earlier I was getting this much. After due
Yeah.
to this pandemic, they have deducted my salary up to
Mm.
20%. Okay, so I need
Mm.
this much. Okay,
Mm.
okay.
Okay.
So if
So
see,
I have to ask from the old thing only. You are saying correct, no?
no. See, it is not in our hand, frankly speaking.
Mm-hmm.
If you are very eager to change, whatever they are going to give, they will minimum give you the 30% hike.
Mm.
Okay, for your current salary.
Mm.
So 30 or 40% also if they are going to give, it's fine, because 20% they have deducted. Again, you are getting the 20% or 10%.
Yes.
See,
Mm.
after more than 10 years experience, frankly
Mm.
speaking, only you will get hike 10 to 15%. That's all, not more than that.
Mm.
Because
Mm.
your package is almost more than in India. I'm just talking about your
Mm.
package is after 10 years, your package will be minimum 25 plus, right?
Mm.
So if they are going to give you 30%, so how much it will come? If the person have already 35 or 40 lakhs in India, how much they will give? Maximum they
Yeah,
will
nothing.
give, maximum
5%.
they will give uh,
5 to
10%,
10%.
not 5%.
Mm.
Even I got also 8%.
Mm.
So 8% is also good, correct? Because
Yeah.
in existing, if your package already, then they will get you as a VP level or some senior manager level, okay, and associate
Mm.
director level, you will get only the hike 2 to 3% annually.
Mm.
Sometimes some year you will not get any hike. They will give you some shares and you will be happy.
Mm.
Very tough, after getting those stuff, the risks are very high, and you have the lots of commitment also.
Yes.
Whenever you gradually you are going to you are getting the promotions, you are at very high good salary and all, you have seen that there are so many holes are there behind you, okay,
Mm.
and you need to fill each and everything.
Mm.
So do not my suggestion to you, whatever they are going to give, just switch. After 1 year again you can switch.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay, right now if they
Okay.
are going to give you 30%, just switch the job. Again, analyze what are the things. Again, you can do one or two within 1 year. Again, you can do one or two certifications or explore some other areas. Okay, again you can
Mm.
switch.
Mm.
Getting my point? See, right now if
Yeah.
you are, if you that day you have shown me your resume, right?
Yeah.
You have a knowledge and working experience in AWS also, Azure also, right? You have taken the training, and right now you have a knowledge in testing also, and also you have a knowledge in agile also, right? So you can understand what kind of killer profile you are. The person who know almost thing. Okay, after that, sometimes after 2-3 months or after getting the job, you can explore some other like JMeter performance testing. So who is going to do the performance testing? Always senior member, business people. Okay, because they are not going to check the functionality, but they know how to test in UAT and all. You have seen,
Yeah.
right? You in UAT,
Yeah.
who is going to perform the UAT? Senior people, right? Business people
Yes.
or experienced tester. So those stuff you have to explore. Or I am here, or Bitu is there. Okay, no issues. You can mail us and all. You have my mail ID also, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And also, whenever you are going to face any interview, if some of the questions you are not able to understand or you are not able to give the answer, please note it down that question and send out to me in the mail. I will reply your mail. Maybe
Okay.
it will be delay, right? 2-3 days, or maybe I was busy and all. Like this situation, up to 15 days, I will be totally busy because I need tell you used to do something, right? So, but I will reply you.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry, and I will be supporting you because you are giving your 100% in study. Good. Don't worry, you will get a job. Very good job.
Okay. No, actually, the thing is, once this Scrum I have finished it, actually, I want to finish. I started preparing the certification, so I have to start writing the things. So that's why I was in to finish. It's at least 3-4 months it'll take actually for finishing of certificates. That's
Okay,
the
you
main thing.
just apply for ISTQB foundation level. A Scrum will be expired within 18 months or 2 years.
Uh,
Okay, but ISTQB testing, that is what it will not expire entire life, whole life. Getting my point? And also the only it will cost you 7-8 thousand maximum. Okay, and nowadays you can give the exam from home also. Due to pandemic they have enabled, but in front they will start the camera and all. Okay, and then you can, I will give you the link also, don't worry.
Okay. No, they're not for you. No, I have found the things. I know that. No problem. I have the things.
Okay, so
Next
next
question.
question is what is estimation technique in testing? Explain the various estimation technique.
Various.
Explain the various estimation technique, like functional point analysis. First one is function point analysis. Second one is work breakdown structure.
Okay. WBS.
No, just write down work breakdown structure.
Okay. Let's check it.
Okay, no, one more. Write down Delphi technique.
Okay.
Technique. Fine.
Yeah. Delphi
What is?
technique is feedback, no? Feedback, no?
Yes, correct. Configuration management.
Yeah. Next is
Yeah, what is configuration management? Risk-based testing. After writing the interview questions and all, please send me your document. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, risk-based testing. Next is, what is risk-based testing? Okay. What is defect management? Explain all the process. What is defect life cycle? All the phases, sorry, not process, all the phases. Defect management phases. What is defect life cycle? Explain. Explain it. What is the difference between severity and priority? Also provide the example. Or explain with example. Explain with example. Give the example of high priority and high severity. Give the example of high priority and high severity. Next is in the same. Oh, wait. Give the example of below condition. Wait. In the same, give the example of that is in. Okay. Now number 1. Copy. Paste.
No, I
High
didn't
priority.
copy.
Okay. Just mention high priority, high severity. They will ask you. Okay. So you should have the example ready. Next. Low priority and high severity. Third one is low priority, low severity. Low priority and low severity. Okay. Explain the types of software testing tool. So we have 2 types of software testing tool, right? One is test management, one is functional testing tool, right?
Yeah.
Explain the types of types of software testing tools. What is test report? What is statement coverage? What is state diagram? Have you written what is a smoke testing and sanity testing?
No.
Oh, please write down. What is a smoke / sanity testing? What is path coverage? What is quality assurance? What is portability testing? What is master test
The
plan?
portability given actually, I have written here.
Okay. What is master test plan? I can't remember, right? What are things? We all are human. What is memory leak? What is incident report? And what is incident management tool? Tool, TWL, yes, tools. ServiceNow, you know, right?
Yeah.
So that is incident management tool. Fine.
Yeah. I think this is sufficient. I think this is enough, more than enough.
Let just a second. One or two. Master test plan, memory leak. Then let me recall any other. What is moderator? Moderator. What is traceability matrix? What is pair programming and pair testing? Pair, PAIR, pair programming and pair testing. Okay. Fine. So I think you are able to complete this by within 2 or 3 days, right?
Yeah.
So from tomorrow we will start the agile concept. Okay.
Okay.
Although we have
But
already covered.
Tomorrow 7 o'clock.
Correct. 7 o'clock only. Although we have already covered maximum things here in testing itself. Okay. So tomorrow I will explain you what are how the person will work in a Scrum, what are the terminologies and all. Okay.
Okay.
Please prepare the document and send me for.
Okay. Yeah.
review.
Okay. Sure. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Good night.
Good day.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.